ECN Trade Technical Webinar. Good morning, my name is Rob Clayton. Well, the Australian dollar, little change from overnight, with the resistance still holding at 76.60. Still looks like a further down play. Now from this week's break of 75.95, I still expect to see a challenge of this level of 75.40, and if breached, then it should open up further towards 74 cents. However, while it consolidates, and in the event we do get a break to the upside, the resistance would only get tougher, or should find good supply like we have seen or witnessed before, above 77 cents, with a resistance there around 77.20 to 77.50. Euro, no change, still contained by the resistance at 113.60-65 after two attempts failing. Looks back towards the support seen at 112.40. In light of where the market is likely to go from the report I've put out for the last few days, it's still towards the downside. And if we see a break through 112.40, then that exposes the target that I've been holding for quite a while now at 109.50.75. In the event we see a break above 113.60, then this will send the euro on a short trip up towards 114.30 before turning back lower. Dollar yen still in a sideways trading pattern, and as you can see here, the parameters still hold at 99.40 to 101.15. In light of the recent hesitation towards the upside, I still feel the market will look towards the downside, and a break of 99.40 would give a further downside play and an objective of 98.60-65 and reassess from there. Although it's still viewed that towards this region of 99.40 that the BOJ is probably sort of lurking around here and could again see an intervention. The pound wasn't as bullish as some of us may have expected, and as you can see, although we got a break this week of 131.70.80, got to its first objective of 132.5, the market has backed off since there and now currently trading around 131.90. Now a move through 131.50-55 will negate the bullish sentiment, and you can see here the technicals on the 4 hour is not so strong. So if we get a break here today, then that reopens the downside to 130.20-25. However, while 131.5 is intact, then we could see further gains up towards 133.20-25 and reassess from there. Well, since the break of 1,328, gold has not been able to recover and get above there. And as you can see now, still looks like further weaknesses on the cards for this precious metal. Although I anticipate demand from 1,300, a break here would actually expose quite a considerable fall of around about 1,250. So do note that this bullish fortress needs to hold to get a recovery. Otherwise, we are looking down towards another $50 loss. Resistance now comes in at 1,328 and above there at 36. Well, oil still showing some bullish sentiment after showing a mild return of demand overnight, gets back above 47.5. Now, as long as we hold under 48.10.20, I still look towards the downside, which is at $44 a barrel. However, a break above 48.40 would inspire further demand and look towards a target of around about 50.50 a barrel. Well, that's a wrap. Thank you very much for listening. I hope you enjoy the day and the weekend that's ahead of us.